Weekend trips and outdoor adventures feel easier with reliable gear that keeps you clean and comfortable anywhere. Best portable camping shower options deliver steady water flow, quick setup, and convenient outdoor use for camping, hiking, beach days, and overlanding without adding extra bulk to your travel setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Motivekit Rechargeable Camping Shower. The Motivekit Rechargeable Camping Shower is designed for campers, beachgoers, and travelers who want a dependable shower setup without carrying bulky equipment. This portable shower kit includes a 6,000 mAh pump, a 1,500-watt immersion heater, a foldable bucket, thermometer, adjustable shower head, spray gun, and a travel-friendly mesh storage bag. The complete setup makes it easy to enjoy a comfortable outdoor shower almost anywhere, whether at a campsite, beach parking area, hiking trail, or even during RV trips. One of the strongest features of this unit is its versatility. The adjustable shower head offers 3 spray modes, allowing users to switch between gentle rinsing and stronger water pressure depending on the situation. The extra spray gun also adds convenience for washing muddy boots, bikes, pets, or camping gear. The included immersion heater is useful for cold weather camping, helping provide warm water when needed. The built-in temperature sensing feature helps users monitor water conditions between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds a safer and more comfortable experience outdoors. The foldable 6.6-gallon bucket is another practical addition because it packs down easily for transport while still holding enough water for proper rinsing and cleaning. Setup is straightforward. Number 2. SPACEREST Outdoor Camping Shower. The SPACEREST Outdoor Camping Shower stands out with its smart, all-in-one design that combines the water jug and pump into a single integrated system. This setup helps reduce leaks, improves portability, and makes transportation easier during camping trips, beach outings, road travel, or outdoor work. The shower includes a 5-gallon food-grade water container, shower head, electric pump, hose, charging cable, batteries, hook, and carrying bag, creating a complete shower solution right out of the box. One of the most convenient aspects of this model is that users do not need to find a separate bucket or container because the included jug handles everything. The rotary locking system and silicone waterproof ring help prevent water spills and debris contamination while traveling, which is especially useful when transporting the unit in a car, RV, or truck. The electric pump delivers a steady 1.1 gallons per minute water flow, offering enough pressure for showering, cleaning gear, rinsing pets, or washing sand and mud off after outdoor activities. The dual 2200 mAh batteries provide up to 100 minutes of runtime, giving users enough power for multiple showers before needing a recharge. The food-grade PE jug also adds value because it is safe for skin contact, odor-resistant, and durable enough for repeated outdoor use.
Number 3. BSEED Rechargeable Camping Shower. The BSEED Rechargeable Camping Shower offers an impressive combination of long battery life, heating performance, and smart features for outdoor travelers who want a more advanced portable shower system. Powered by a large 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this camping shower provides between 120 and 180 minutes of operation on a single charge, making it suitable for extended camping trips, beach vacations, hiking adventures, or RV living. The USB-C charging capability also improves convenience because users can recharge the shower pump using a power bank, laptop, or vehicle USB port while traveling. One of the standout features is the included 2,000-watt immersion water heater, which heats water quickly for a warm and comfortable shower outdoors. Combined with the included digital thermometer, users can monitor water temperature in real time and avoid overheating. The LED display adds another level of convenience by showing battery life and temperature readings clearly, helping prevent unexpected power loss during use. The shower pump also includes 5 water flow modes, allowing users to customize water pressure depending on whether they are showering, cleaning equipment, or rinsing pets. Number 4. FLEXTAILGEAR Pump Camping Shower.
The FLEXTAILGEAR pump camping shower is built for campers and hikers who prioritize lightweight gear without sacrificing functionality. Weighing only 11 ounces, this compact outdoor shower system is easy to pack into backpacks, camping totes, or travel bags, making it an excellent choice for minimalist adventures, backpacking trips, beach days, and quick outdoor cleanups. Despite its small size, the unit combines the shower head, hose, and pump into one efficient setup that delivers reliable water flow while taking up very little space. One of the strongest features of this portable shower is its dual water flow system. Users can switch between low flow modes and high flow modes with a simple one-handed control. The low flow setting helps conserve water while extending runtime up to 110 minutes, while the high flow mode provides stronger pressure for a more refreshing rinse. This flexibility makes the shower practical for both quick cleanups and longer showers during camping trips. Another major advantage is the innovative Quick Connect installation system. Instead of dealing with threaded parts or complicated assembly, users can quickly connect the components with a simple insert and lock design. This helps save time when setting up at campsites or outdoor locations.
Number 5. Hurmovae Travel Camping Shower. The Hurmovae Travel Camping Shower is a versatile outdoor shower designed for users who want flexibility, portability, and easy spray control during outdoor activities. Whether used for camping, hiking, beach trips, surfing, pet cleaning, or gardening, this portable shower system offers multiple spray settings that make outdoor rinsing far more convenient. One of the biggest highlights is the 10 different spray modes available through the rotating shower head. Users can quickly switch between mist, jet, rinse, and other spray styles depending on the task at hand. This versatility makes it useful not only for showering, but also for cleaning gear, watering plants, rinsing sandy feet, or washing muddy pets after outdoor adventures. The 360-degree rotating shower head also helps users direct water more accurately without awkward positioning. Another useful feature is the dual spray control system. Users can either hold the trigger for targeted spraying or lock the system for continuous hands-free water flow. This adds convenience during longer rinses or when cleaning equipment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.